Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page 58 of Quran, and that is Surah Al-Imran, ayah number 65. We are starting from here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ya will be 4 counts long. And Hamza is very sharp sound. Give Fatha the very short sound. Attach with Ha, and Ha will get Rakhawa. Ya Lal. For Fatha, open your jaws. Attach with Lam. Lam will get the Wasut. Ya lal kitaki. Ki is very short sound, and this is light. Ta is 2 counts long, and ta is a very sharp sound. Ta b is short. And make sure you give e sound. Li, give e sound. Ma, short. Li ma. 2 for the ma, circle your lips. This is mad lazim, so you will make it 6 counts long, and when you will attach jim, there should be a number. So in mad lazim there is a number most of the time. Okay, this is this bringing the sound up and pushing the sound up is called number. So you have to create here to show that there are 2 gems. If you are not create number, the 1 gem will be dropped. So we cannot add anything in Quran, and we cannot subtract anything from Quran. So make sure that you create number here. So listen how I'm doing it. To had Ju is 2 counts long. Na, short. Fi, 4 counts long. Ibe, Hamza is very sharp, attached with, and this is E sound, and attached with Ba. Make sure you don't miss this E sound, the Kasra's E sound, to attach with Ba. Ibe, and there's Qalqala on Ba. Ra is heavy. Ra is heavy, but not Ba, not Ha, because whenever we see any heavy letter, we tend to make letters heavy, which are beside them, even they are not heavy. So be careful. Ib, Ra, if you cannot control, say it in parts. Ib, Ra, he has from your throat, and it is 2 counts long. Ma, short. Wa, for fatha, open your jaws. For wow, circle your lips for wow. Wa, ma is 4 counts long. For the ma, circle your lips, and give ikhfa. Ikhfa with za is also light, so keep your tongue very straight to create this ikhfa. Z for kasra, give e sound. La, short. It for kasra, give e sound, attach with ta. It, tau. This is lean, so you will make it 2 counts long, but keeping the ta very sharp. Tau. Ra is heavy, and this is 2 counts long. 2 for the circle your lips. Well, for wow, fatha, open your jaws, and circle your lips for wow. Attach with attach with something is coming up on my way because I can't see the screen. Yeah, just like alhamdulillah. Okay. Well, for wow, attached with lam, lam will get the wasat, and the wasat is a medium flow of sound. Well, this l sound is the wasat. Wal Hamza for kasra, give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get there is ikhfa. Wal G is 2 counts long. For Thamma, circle your lips. Lu, the sound is very short. Illa, Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. That will be light and it will be 2 counts long. Illa. Meme for kasra, give E sound attached with meme. Meme, this is iqlab, and give gunna nicely in your nose. Meme, ba. For ba is very light, ain is light too. Why I'm saying so? Because some people make it heavy. Ba, ain from your throat, and there should be tawassut, ba, di. For kasra, give E sound and then attach with ha will get rakhawa. Mim ba'di. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Fa, fa will get hums. La, 2 counts long. Fa, la, ta. For ta should be very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Ain will get tawassut and ain will be from your throat. Ta'qi. Qi is heavy. For kasra, give E sound. Loon. 4 counts long. Noon will get tawassut. Ha, 4 counts long. Ha should be from your throat. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. And ikhfa, this ikhfa should be light because there is ta coming up. The ta is light, so ikhfa will be light. And you keep your sound in your nose. Tum, for the circle your lips. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position and you will get the wasut. Tum. Ha, 4 counts long. Ha should be from your throat. U, very sharp sound. For the circle your lips. La, 4 counts long. E is very sharp. So it should be very much differentiated and clearly pronounced. This mad and hamza. Alif and hamza have a very different makhraj, different sound. So be very careful when you are creating it. Ha, u, la, e. E should be heard very clearly. Ha, ha. There should be misty sound when you are saying ha before fatha, and then you're giving fatha. Fatha is very, the fatha is 2 counts long. Ha, jaje. There is qalqala on the other jim. Don't bring cha into jim when you are not blocking by your tongue. You're not covering your palate with your tongue. The sound will escape and make jim acha sound. Don't do that. Be careful about jim. Jaje. Tum, for the circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get the wasut. Fi, give hums in fa, attach with ya, and that will be 2 counts long. Fi, ma, 2 counts long. La, short. Kum, for the circle your lips, and this is ikhfa shafawi. So keep your sound in your nose. Kum, B is short. He, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat. For kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Lam will get the wasut. Listen how we are doing it. Ikhfa. And ikhfa, your lips should, your tongue should be straight, and your upper 2 teeth should be ready to say fa when you are creating this ikhfa. Fa, li, fa short with hums. Li short, ma short. There shouldn't be any stress on your lips when you're saying ma. Tu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short and sharp, and you are circling your lips very well for dhamma. Tu hajjuna. We have discussed it before. So this is mad lazim with nabar, and it will be 2 counts long, and noon is short. To hajjuna. Yuna. Fi. For fa, bring hums, and that will be 2 counts long. This is hums, and mud is fi. This e is mud, but bringing hums is the separate part. So don't skip that. Fi ma, 2 counts long. Lay. This is lean, so you will make it 2 counts long. Sa is short. La short. Kum. إخفاء شفوي for ضم circle your lips. As soon as you will touch إخفاء, you will keep the sound, you will keep your lips straight. B short. He, 2 counts long. Ilm. How you will stop? You will not change anything of this part. When you are stopping, you are not changing anything in this part. You will get tawassut. Okay? Very relaxed way. Give tawassut here. And then there will be tawassut of meme left. Because you are not pronouncing dhamma when you are giving waqf here. So how will you say? Ilm. Ilm. Giving tawassut here and giving tawassut on meme, but these 2 tawassuts should be of straight, same length. One shouldn't be long, one shouldn't be short. So how will you say? Ilm. Wallahu. For wow, circle your lips. For tha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Then lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long by default. You're always saying this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name long. Wallahu, who is short. For the circle your lips. And the sound is very short. Yeah. I will be from your throat, and there should be tawassut. Yeah is very soft. Yeah. La, mu, la, short, mu, very short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Wa is short. For fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. And ikhfa with ta. So keep your sound, keep your tongue straight. And keep your sound in your nose too. And tum, for the circle your lips, and attach with meme. Meme will get tawassut. La, 2 counts long. Da, that is very sharp. Attach with the ain. Ain will get tawassut. Da, la, short. Moon. Make sure you circle your lips to say this dhamma. And as soon you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position and creating tawassut. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.